As you have read in last page, that when Ranga he met that girl singing in narrator's house, and he was very eager to know about her. So very hopefully he asked, she isn't married? Then his voice didn't betray his excitement, but I knew it was there. Means writer he knew that he was excited, but he was not showing his excitement, and he simply and hopefully asked if she married. She was married a year ago. Here, writer narrator he told him false that she was married. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. After a while, Ranga left saying that he must go, that he had some work at home. I means writer, he went to their Sastri. Sastri means the person who tell us about our horoscope, stars, and means that Graha Nakshatra, all those. The next morning, he told him, keep everything ready to read the stars. Means he planned. He planned that Sastri would say the same as he told him. He would come later. He tutored him. Means he taught him that what he had to say. Writer found no change in Ranga when he met him that afternoon. Was the matter? What was the matter? You seem to be lost in thought, I said. There was no change. But writer, he forcefully said that he was lost in some thought. Nothing wrong, believe me, he said, Ranga, that he was not ready to accept that he was lost in thought or somewhere. Hada, come, let's go and see a doctor. But without saying anything, the narrator, he was ready to take him to the doctor, as he said that you will have headache. I have no headache. I am my usual self. But Ranga, he had not. That is why he was not ready. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. But I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. Ranga stared at me. Come, let's go and see Sastri. Writer suggested we will find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not. Raga accompanied him without any protest. As soon as Sastri saw them, he exclaimed, what a surprise, Shyama! Shyama. Shyama means again, he is saying, want to say to the writer that he is explaining that Shyama is none other than your servant, means R. The narrator of this tale, means his name is Shyama here, means people used to say him Shyama. Haven't seen you long for time. He got angry and shouted, what? Only this morning? Sastri completed his sentence. You finished all your work and are now free to visit me. Had he not done so, I would have ruined, means writer, he would have ruined their plan by bustling like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. He was extremely careful of what he said afterwards. Means when he said, then he thought that his plan is going to be failed. But anyhow, he just control, and he thought that he should be extremely careful of what he said afterwards. Sasti turned to Ranga. When did the young son of your accountant clerk come home? He asked when you come after completing your study. What can I do for him? It's very rarely that he visit us. Take out of your paraphernalia. Means that our Pandit or Sastri, they have, इसको पत्रा बोलते हैं, पत्रा मीन्स ऑल द थिंग्स ग्रह नक्षत्र दे आर रिटन. Paraphernalia. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. Can you tell us what's worrying him? Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? Then narrator means Shyama, he said that you just take out your patra and Rangappa means he had something in his mind, means it seems. So, could he tell him what's worrying him? Shall they put their science to astrology to the test? There was authority in writer's voice as he spoke to Sastri. He took out of two sheets of paper some cowries and a book of palmyra leaves, saying, ours is an ancient sign, Aya. There is a story to it, but I won't tell you that story now. This is not a Hari Katha, which allows you to tell a story within a story. You may get bored. I will tell it to you some other time. So he is saying again to us that in the science of ancient, there are so many stories, so he just does not want to tell us now. Sastri moved his lips fast as he counted on his finger and then asked, what's your star? Ranga didn't know. Never mind. Sastri indicated with a shake of his head. He did some more calculation before saying in a serious tone, it's about a girl, and said that all the things are with Ranga's worry and all those, it's about a girl. He had been collecting his laughter all this while. But now, writer, he burst out laughing. He turned to Ranga, exactly what I had said, exactly the same that he had said, that he was in worry. Who is the girl? It was your humble servant who asked the question. Means who is the girl he is worrying about? As Sastri was saying that the reason of his worrying, nervousness, headache, means as he was saying about a girl. Sastri thought for a while before replying. She probably has the name of something found in the ocean. So Sastri, he began to thought and saying that the name of the girl, it probably the name of something found in the ocean. Means Kamala, maybe Kamala, the synonym for Lakshmi. Could it be a Pachi moss? Must it be moss if it's not Kamala? Why are not Pearl or Ratna? Means how it could be the moss only, the Kamala only, why the pearl or the Ratna? Ratna is also means the precious stone. The precious stone. Ratna, the girl is Rama Rao's house is Ratna. Ratna means that girl who was in Rama Rao's house, and that girl name is also Ratna. Tell him, is there any chance of their negotiation bearing fruit? Definitely, he said after thinking for some time. He asked the reason, he asked the solution, and he said after thinking that definitely it could be. There was surprise on Ranga's face and some happiness, I noticed it. But after listening from Sastri, there was surprise on Ranga's face. Actually, he was not involving, but writer, he forcefully involved Ranga in the matter of that girl, and some happiness it was also showing. But that girl is married, I said. But writer, as he had just told him false, so he said that she was married. Then he turned to him, his face had fallen. I don't know all that. There may be some other girl who is suitable. Means there could be some girls. I only told you what our शास्त्र indicated. Shastri said. Shastri ने कहा कुछ और लड़कियां भी हो सकती हैं. He indicated only the Shastra said. We left the place. On the way, they passed by Rama Rao's house. Ratna was standing at the door. I went in alone and came out a minute later. He, writer, went in, means in the house alone, and came out after some time, surprising, and simply he said that she was not married. It seems someone told me the other day that she was. What Sastri told us had turned out to be true after all. Means what the Sastri means, that Pandit, he said that all the things had come true. But Rangappa, I couldn't believe that you have been thinking of her. And he said that he was not believing that Rangappa, he was thinking out of her, means Ratna. Swear on the name of Madhvacharya. means Madhavacharya Ishwar Bhagwan. And tell me, is it true what Sastri said? I do not know whether anyone else would have been direct, Ranga admitted. There is a greater truth in the Shastra than we imagine. What he said is absolutely true. Means all the matter, it was just performed by the narrator, but he said that all the matter was from Shastra and means from Ranga only. Sastri was at the bell when he went there that evening, he said. So, Sastri Gale, you repeated everything I had taught you without giving rise of any suspicion. What a marvelous Shastra yours is. He didn't like it at all. What are you saying? What you said to me? What I could have found myself from the Shastra. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you had given me. Means now there was a conversation between Sastri and that one. Tell me, is this what a decent man says? Rangappa had come to the other day to invite me for dinner. Now there was some days after, as you will know, after reading some lines. What's the occasion? He asked. It's Shyama's birthday. He is 3. Means now in this line, Rangappa had come the other day. Means after some time to invite the writer for dinner. What's the occasion? Writer he asked that Shyama means now they had the son Ratna and Ranga, and the name of that son is Shyama. Now he was 3. It's not a nice name, Shyama, I said. I'm like a dark piece of oil cake. Why did you have to give in golden child of yours such a name? What a childish couple you are, Ratna and you. No, I know. It is an English custom of naming the child after someone you like. Your wife is 8 months pregnant now. Who is there to help your mother to cook? Again, he asked that again the wife is expecting. So, who is there? My sister has come with her. Then he told that her sister, she has come. Writer, he went there for dinner. Shyama rushed to me. When I walked in, put her arms round my legs. I kissed him on his cheek, means that little, and placed a ring on his tiny little finger as a gift. Allow me to take leave of you, reader, means he is saying now us in the last line. I'm always here, ready to serve you. You were not bored? I. Writer, now he had just served for us a nice, a humorous, a interesting chapter. Okay, so enjoy and just digest the full chapter in your